it's what I think it is.
Ashton, go up higher on the other side.
I hope it's what I think it is.
It's a flat lump of coal.
Okay, you guys, Connor boys.
Oh my God!
That's cool.
Who are these people?
Me, Ellen, Mommy, and Daddy. Yeah,
Oh.
start using it.
Hey, don't step on it. I'll step on my feet. Oh, look at that.
No.
A calendar. Whoopee.
Of our family.
Oh.
William with glasses on, girl ones.
It's coldest time of year and sunny too. I love our mommy snuggle time is the best. Too bad Adeline can't stay awake for it. Oh.
Whoa, that's a big icicle.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Yo, yippee-yay, bow, wow, wow, wow. Mud on your face, big disgrace. Party over your face. We will kill you.
Wow.
We will
Connor?
kill you. Kill you.
It's rock you, honey.
Yeah.
Oh, first day of school.
First day of school. And I got Ew. On the first day? Yeah.
Oh!
Ew, gross. What's that?
You don't actually in the toy box.
Oh! Look at that. You're pressing on my foot. Thank you.
Oh, I was like, she got like that.
You sounded like a jungle for a little bit there.